Hello folks. Hope you all are doing great. In academia, paraphrasing isn't just linguistic finesse, it's the cornerstone of intellectual evolution. Imagine decoding intricate research papers and then transmuting their essence into your unique scholarly voice. This is the art of paraphrasing, an essential bridge between comprehension and innovation. But hold on tight, for technology is here to amplify our capabilities. Enter the realm of AI, where innovation intersects with intellect. Today, we introduce 4 remarkable AI tools, poised to reshape your research landscape. These digital companions are tailored to finesse intricate language, offering a seamless path to articulate ideas in your own voice. So let's dive into AI tool number 1. First of all, open your web browser and type Scispace. Then you will get various links. From the top, click the second link. You are not supposed to click the very first link. Once you click the second link, this will lead you to the official page of this free AI tool. This free AI has been particularly created for research assistants. So let me log in first. And for that I am using my existing Gmail account. You can follow the same process. Let me input my information. And boom! Now I have logged in into this free AI. So, this AI gives an opportunity to paraphrase various provided text free of cost in just a single click. What you need to do is, you have to copy the text you want to paraphrase, and you have to press the given paraphrasing key. Let's suppose this is the text, which I have generated using ChatGPT. I am just copying this. And I am pasting R here. Once you are done with the pasting, then click the paraphrasing key. Just wait for a while, it will automatically paraphrase the entire provided text. So here you can see this free AI has paraphrased the provided text in single click. In this way, this free AI can be accessed and used for paraphrasing. Now, let's dive into AI tool number 2. Open your browser and type Spinbot. This will lead you this page. From here you need to click the very first link. By clicking you will land on this page. This is the official page and the interface looks like this. Here you can see there is an option to paste your text. So, let me open my file, select the text you want to paraphrase and copy it. Now simply paste here. Here you go. Now the text has been uploaded on Spinbot. One of the best features is you can paraphrase or rewrite 10,000 words at a time. Now click the basic spin and see the magic. Boom! Here you go, viewers. On your single click, the entire text has been paraphrased. AI tool number 3. Type in your search bar, Quillbot. This is the second most used AI for paraphrasing. Click the first link and this will land you on this official page. See this the main interface of the official page of Quillbot. The process is same as discussed for the previous AI tool. Open your file, copy the text. And you just need to paste here. Click the paraphrase and see the magic. Boom! Here you go, everything paraphrased. You can see the text it has changed now. Besides, one of the best features is you can replace each word by different word since it gives this option. Read the text until you get fully satisfied. If in case you didn't, don't worry, it gives you multiple paraphrase text. You just need to click the paraphrase again and it will change the entire text for you. Repeat the process until you get full satisfaction on your write-up. Let's discuss the fourth free AI tool. Open your web browser and type ChatGPT. It has drastically changed everything. It's ChatGPT. Yes, you can use ChatGPT as your paraphrasing tool. I have various videos on ChatGPT. You can watch them by clicking the link above. You just need to open it and you have to ask ChatGPT for paraphrasing your text. It says yes, it can certainly paraphrase the provided text. Again, you just need to copy the text and paste here. And see the magic? Boom! Here you go, your paraphrase text is ready. In this way you can use ChatGPT as your paraphrasing tool. With this, we are wrapping up our AI paraphrasing tool showcase with a bang. Witness the jaw-dropping capabilities of 4 game-changing AI tools for effortless academic content rephrasing. Have you ever imagined content transformation could be this seamless? Drop a comment about your thoughts and experiences. Don't miss out on more tech explorations. Hit subscribe and stay tuned with Guru Tech Solutions for exciting updates on the latest AI trends and tools.